This is Dr. Rita Schatz here at New Look, New Life. I'm here to talk about hymenoplasty, a procedure where a woman's hymen can be restored. Sometimes hymen can be broken during a fall or bike ride, improper use of a tampon. Certain cultures require women to get married being a virgin. And I obviously respect that. Although it is something that I respect, I will never judge if one comes in looking to have that procedure done. Hymenoplasty is something that I will absolutely perform for someone who's looking to get married and have a hymen. I need at least 8 weeks before the wedding ceremony. I need 8 weeks of healing time. It's a very sensitive area. It is painful, however, a lot of my patients can have it done under local anesthesia. I would love it if they have it under general, because that will allow them to relax and allow me to examine and perform it a bit more to their liking in a way that they don't move and they don't feel anything. But I have done that under local. This procedure I can do within 30 to 40 minutes. The sutures that I use are absorbable. The downtime is about 6 to 8 weeks, nothing per vagina, no tampons, no bike riding. Complications can include bleeding and infection, which we can easily control with antibiotics. This procedure is very common, and if you'd like more information, please call us and follow us for more.